In this video, I will show you how to use Kraken. First, open the App Store on iOS or Google Play Store on Android. Search for Kraken app here. I have already installed the app. If you haven't installed it, you can do so by tapping on Install. After completing the installation, open the app Kraken. Here you can see different cryptocurrencies. You can tap on Explore More to see more. On the upper area, you can see different options like stable coins, loser, and newly listed. On the portfolio option, you can get started with crypto by viewing transactions. Going towards the account option at the bottom, you can view your account. It will be able to show you your account details like username, email, public account ID, and date you have been to crypto after tapping on account details. It also has a support center and settings. In currency, you can see the currencies available. After that, you can see available languages and themes. It also has security with two-factor verification. In language, you can choose the language of your own choice. In themes, you can choose light, dark, or automatic. On the home screen, you can explore rates of currencies and buy them. You also have the option to verify your identity. Check out the link given in the description to create your account on Kraken. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.